Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. There are some people in this ummah that are worshipping Hazrat Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani. And when they're told, they just start giving arguments that do we do ruku for Hazrat Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani? Do we do sajda for Hazrat Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani? So we are not worshipping Hazrat Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani. Why are you accusing us of shirk? We are not mushriks. Now my questions, I've got three questions. Question number one, is ruku an ibadah? That's right. All of you got the correct answer. Number two, is sajda an ibadah? Again, 100% correct. Now third question, is dua ibadah? Supplication. Well, most of you got the correct answer. Yes, dua is ibadah. But some of you don't really understand that dua is ibadah. I'm going to show you one clip in which these people of Dawat Islami, they're making supplications, dua to Hazrat Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani. Watch the clip, and after that I'm going to prove to you that dua is ibadah.
मीठे मीठे इस्लामी भाइयों, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वो दरबार जिस पर हाज़री की हर आशिक रसूल को तमन्ना होती है। मेरी मुराद पीराने पीर पीर दस्तगीर सैयदी गौसे आज़म रज़ी अल्लाह तआला अन्हु का दरबार है और अब उनके रोज़े पर हाज़री का वक्त है। आज बड़ी 11वीं शरीफ है बगदाद शरीफ में और हम इंशाअल्लाह वहाँ रवानगी के लिए तैयार हैं। इंशाअल्लाह दरबार गौस में जाकर अर्ज़ करना है। जो दूर से अर्ज़ करते थे कि झोली को मेरी भर दो वरना कहेगी दुनिया, ऐसे सखी का मंगता फिरता है मारा मारा। इंशाअल्लाह आज गौसे पाक के दर पर जाकर झोली भर के आना है। इंशाअल्लाह गौस पाक आपके गुनाहगार मुरीद आए हैं, हमारी झोली भर दीजिए। झोली को मेरी भर दो वरना कहेगी दुनिया, ऐसे सखी का मंगता फिरता है मारा मारा। मेरी लाज रख लो या गौस, मैं मुरीद हूँ तुम्हारा, मैं मुरीद हूँ तुम्हारा। गौस पाक आपने अपने दर पर आने वालों को सबको नवाजा। ये दूर दूर से आपके फकीर, आपके मुरीद, आपसे मोहब्बत करने वाले आए हैं। आज आपके उर्स की रात है, किसे खाली ना लौटाइए, सबकी झोलियां भर दीजिए।
Tirmizi, ad-du'a huwal ibadah. Dua is ibadah. Now it's absolutely crystal clear from the hadith of the Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that dua is ibadah. One proof. Now I'm going to give you the second proof from the Holy Quran. Surah number 35, Surah Fatih, ayah number 14. If you call upon them, they will not hear your calls. And if they were to hear you, they would not be able to respond. And they're going to disown your worship. They're going to disown your shirk on the day of judgment. They will deny. Now, it says here that when you call upon them, they will not be able to hear you. And if they were to hear you, they will not be able to respond. Now, in the first portion of the ayah, it says that when you call upon them, and in the end it says they will deny of your shirk. Now, they are calling upon these people, and on the day of judgment, they will deny of this. The people that are being called upon, they will deny. Now, they will say that they didn't call upon us. Why? Because they didn't hear anything. That's what this first portion of the ayah proves, that when you call upon them, they will not be able to hear you. That's why they're going to deny on the day of judgment. But you can see that it says here, when you call upon them, and this calling upon them is replaced by the word shirk. So calling upon anybody else other than Allah is actually shirk. So the mushrikeen in Makkah used to call upon Lat, Manat and Uzza, who were awliya Karam, very well respected people of the past. And today, Hazrat Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani, Hazrat Sheikh Muinuddin Chishti, they are being called upon. And calling upon anybody other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is shirk. So in the end, I just want to make sure that we understand that dua is ibadah, and we are only allowed to make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Dua only to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Call upon only to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Dua only for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.